Idella. My name's Sean here at Tameron Honda. Thank you for inquiring on the 2020 Honda Odyssey. I have one pulled up right behind me. I want to show you a couple of features. One, you're going to get the LED daytime running lights and also the fog lights. You're going to have the lane keeping assist and the adaptive cruise control. That way it actually adapts to the car in front of you. If you're going down the highway and you've got it set at 70 miles an hour on cruise, and that car in front of you is only going 60, this one will slow down to their speed. It's unbelievable. You have power doors, power liftgate in the back, power seat in the front, Apple CarPlay, push button start, heated seats. This particular model does have the cooled seats also. You have charging ports in the back for the kids. You have blind spot indicator. There's so many features I want to show you on this car. Let's set up an appointment. We can get together, we'll drive it, and I'll show you everything to know. Again, my name's Sean here at Tameron, 205-965-5788. That's my direct number. Please call me. If I can promise you one thing, when you get here,